Question number 1. Who surpassed Kumar Sangakkara to become the second highest international run scorer in cricket? The correct answer is Virat Kohli. Question number 2. Who became the first tennis player to achieve 400 career Grand Slam singles victories? The correct answer is Novak Djokovic. Question number 3. Which of the following cricketers received the Padma Shri in 2026? The correct answer is Rohit Sharma. Question number 4. Which country won the Ashes Series 2025-26? The correct answer is Australia. Question number 5. Who scored a 14-ball half-century, marking India's second fastest 50 in T20 internationals? The correct answer is Abhishek Sharma. Question number 6. Who was sworn in as the Mayor of New York City on 1st January 2026? The correct answer is Jen Mahamani. Question number 7. Who assumed the role of interim president of Venezuela following the capture of Nicolas Maduro? The correct answer is Delcy Rodriguez. Question number 8. Republic Day 2026 marks how many years of the Indian Republic? The correct answer is 77. Question number 9. Who are the chief guests for the 2026 Republic Day parade? The correct answer is leaders of the European Union. Question number 10. What is the central theme of the 2026 Republic Day parade? The correct answer is 150 years of Vande Mataram. Question number 11. How many total Padma Awards were announced for the year 2026? The correct answer is 131. Question number 12. How many people were awarded the Padma Shri in 2026? The correct answer is 113. Question number 13. How many Padma Bhushan Awards were announced for 2026? The correct answer is 13. Question number 14. How many Padma Vibhushan Awards were announced in 2026? The correct answer is 5. Question number 15. Which organization conducted the successful test of the Pinaka long-range guided rocket? The correct answer is DRDO. Question number 16. Which was the first ISRO mission of 2026 that recently failed? The correct answer is PSLV C-62. Question number 17. What is the name of the modern warfare force created by the Indian Army to integrate large-scale drone operations? The correct answer is Bhargav. Question number 18. Which organization celebrated its 68th Foundation Day in 2026? The correct answer is DRDO. Question number 19. Who has recently taken charge as the Director General of the Border Security Force BSF and BSF? The correct answer is Praveen Kumar. Question number 20. Who has been appointed as the Director General of the Indo-Tibetan Border Police ITBP? The correct answer is Shatrujit Singh Kapoor. Question number 21. Who assumed charge as the Vice Chief of the Air Staff of the Indian Air Force on 1st January 2026? The correct answer is Air Marshal Nagesh Kapoor. Question number 22. Which country commissioned the upgraded Type 052D guided missile destroyer LASA? The correct answer is China. Question number 23. Which country successfully flight tested the indigenously developed Timur cruise missile? The correct answer is Pakistan. Question number 24. What is the official theme of the World Economic Forum WEF Annual Meeting 2026? The correct answer is A Spirit of Dialogue. Question number 25. Which country passed a new law legalizing cryptocurrency mining and trading from January 2026? The correct answer is Turkmenistan. Question number 26. Which country became the world's largest rice producer by surpassing China? The correct answer is India. Question number 27. Which city has been ranked as the best city for women in India in 2025? The correct answer is Bengaluru. Question number 28. Which city is on track to become India's slum-free city? The correct answer is Surat. Question number 29. Which city has become India's first where residents can safely drink water directly from the tap? The correct answer is Puri. Question number 30. Which state is home to India's first full-stack sovereign artificial intelligence AI park? The correct answer is Tamil Nadu.